but today you don't leave the class, listen carefully. So cos 270 plus x, yesterday we studied that if the starting angle is 90 or 270, do you remember that? Yesterday we studied that if the starting angle is 90 or 270, cos becomes sine. Cos becomes sine. Then write the last angle x. Yesterday we studied 90 or 270, cos becomes sine. Write the last angle. But I don't know whether it is plus or minus. I don't know. 270 plus x is in which quadrant? Anybody? 270 plus x lies in which quadrant?
Third quadrant.
Third quadrant. Are you sure? All of you please listen. 270 plus x will be fourth quadrant. Very good. 90, 180, 270. 270 plus x lies in the fourth quadrant. So this is cos of fourth quadrant. Can I read like that? Cos of fourth quadrant. Cos of fourth quadrant will be positive. In fourth quadrant, cos is positive. Cos of fourth quadrant is what? Positive. So plus sin x. Then, but remember, but if the starting angle is 180 or 360, no change in trigonometric ratio. That also we studied. If the starting angle is 180 or 360, the same trigonometric ratio to be copied. Then write the last angle x. But still I don't know whether it is plus cos or minus cos. 360 plus x lies in which quadrant? Anybody? 360 plus x lies in which quadrant? You don't know? 360 plus x lies in the first quadrant.
First quadrant.
Yes. Because 360 means one revolution. 360 degree means one revolution. Plus x becomes first quadrant. So cos of first quadrant will be positive number. In first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios are positive. So cos of first quadrant will be what? It is positive number. So plus cos. You must write all this step into cot 270 minus x. If the starting angle is 90 or 270, we studied yesterday that cot becomes tan. If you have any doubt, go to the previous class note. I don't want to discuss again. We studied yesterday that if the starting angle is 90 or 270, cot becomes tan. Tan becomes cot, cot becomes tan. So cot becomes tan. Write the last angle. ശിവാനിക്ക് കിട്ടിയതാണോ? ശിവാനി
Yes, sir.
കിട്ടിയതാണ്, കിട്ടിക്കഴിഞ്ഞതാണിത്?
Yes, sir.
ഇപ്പം കഴിഞ്ഞതാണോ? ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ. എന്നാൽ ഞാൻ ശിവാനിക്ക് വേറൊരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ തരാം. ഓക്കെ, ഇവിടെ എഴുതാം, സൈഡിൽ എഴുതാം. കുറച്ച് ഹാർഡാണ് കേട്ടോ ശിവാനി.
Okay, sir.
സിംപ്ലിഫൈഡ് ആൻസർ എഴുതണം. ഓക്കെ, കിട്ടത്തില്ലേ പറയണേ കേട്ടോ. സോ ഓൾ ഓഫ് യു പ്ലീസ് ലിസൺ. cot 270 minus x, cot becomes tan, x is written. 270 minus x is in which quadrant? Anybody? 270 minus x, which quadrant?
Third quadrant.
Third quadrant. Third quadrant. Yes, very good, correct. 270 minus x for third quadrant. This is cot of third quadrant. It will be positive number. Cot of third quadrant will be positive. This is because of the fact that in third quadrant tan and its reciprocal cot both are positive. Since tan positive, cot is also positive. Reciprocal will be positive, right? So in third quadrant, tan and cot both are positive. Tan and reciprocal are positive. So cot of third quadrant will be positive. Let me complete the first step. After that you can ask me doubts. Okay. Then if 180 or 360 is the same trigonometry ratio to be copied. For if the starting angle is 180 or 360, same trigonometry ratio to be copied. The last angle. But I don't know whether it is positive or negative. 360 plus x, I have already drawn the diagram. 360 plus x lies in the first quadrant. Cot of first quadrant. Cot of first quadrant will be positive. First quadrant all are positive. So you please read till this step. If you are 100% clear till this step, you please ask. Sorry. If you are 100% clear, you please raise your hand. Aryan മനസ്സിലായില്ലേ പറയണോട്ടോ. ദേവശ്രീ, you can ask me doubts. Rakshana, you please listen for the time being. Ultimately you can understand. Okay, don't worry.
Sir, I got sin square x plus cos square x.
You got the answer. It is 1. It is 1. Yes. You studied in 10th standard, right? Fadil, since you have finished, you try this question. In the corner I have written one question. Okay, you have to write the simplified answer. You must write the simplified answer. So everyone clear? The Rakshana be there in the class, don't worry. Okay, Shivani already completed. So I want to do sin x cos x. You studied even in 10th standard also you studied. This class also I explained in the previous classes. Tan x is sin x by cos x. You know that. Tan x is what? Sin x by cos x. Cot x is cos x by sin x. Both formula I have discussed. Tan x is sin x by cos x. Cot x is cos x by sin x. So next step will be sin x cos x. I can do I can do the cross multiplication for addition. Sin into sin. Sin into sin. Sin square. Cos into cos. Cos square. Denominator cos x sin x. The next step is, I will clarify your doubt. Listen. Sin x, this sin x cancelled. Cos x cancelled. Sin square x plus cos square x. You studied you studied in 10th standard. Sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. RHS. So all of you please write down. If you don't understand, please ask. Aryan clear ആണല്ലേ? Aryan, Fadil, you have already completed. Rakshana, you can ask me doubt. Don't worry. If you actually missed the previous class, but you can ask me doubt.
Yes, sir.
Shivani, Fadil, have you got that answer? Right, I have written in the corner. Sin pi by 4 plus x. No.
Sir, I'm almost ready.
The simplified answer I want. Okay. So everyone finished. Deva, have you understood, right? Deva, you completed. So the next problem, I am going to discuss the next problem. So the question based on sin a plus b sin a minus b is almost over. Yes, almost, not almost. There is one question, but 8th question I discussed in the previous class. So all the problems related to the previous class I finished. Now we are going to learn the next set of formula. All of you please listen. All of you please listen. The important problems based on a plus b, a minus b, I finished. Now I am going to discuss the next set of formula. Okay. Trigonometric ratios. The number of questions is very less, but I think there are some 3 or 4 questions in textbook. Three questions I think. Trigonometric ratios of multiple angles. All of you please listen here. Multiple angles. Trigonometric ratios of multiple angles. Remember, the derivation of the formula is not required. It will not be asked. So I will not discuss the derivation. The first formula is sine 2 theta. In textbook they may use they may write sine 2x. I prefer theta. Okay, sine 2 theta. I mean 2 times theta. This 2 theta is inside sine. 2 theta means 2 into theta. Inside sine. Derivation I don't want to discuss. Sine of 2 theta will be 2 sine theta cos theta. It can be written in another form, but there is not a single question based on that. So I want to write only the relevant formula. Okay, I want to write only the relevant formula. This can be written in another format, but that formula is required only in the next year, 12th standard. In differentiation you will learn. In 11th standard we need only this formula only. Okay, so I will discuss only the required important formula only. So sine 2 theta, 2 sine theta cos theta. Proof is not required. The next is cos 2 theta. 2 theta means 2 times theta. Understood? Again, derivation is not required. Memorize the formula. Cos square theta minus sine square theta. Cos square theta minus sine square theta. This can be written in another form because all the formulas are important. Derivation I am skipping. Okay. 2 cos square theta minus 1 and another formula 1 minus 2 sine square theta. In today's class I will discuss those problems based on this formula. I will not cover more than 6 formula in a single class. Okay. So cos 2 theta has 3 important formulas. All these 3 formulas are required in problems. I will discuss problem. Trigonometry is full of formula, but today I will discuss only 6 formulas. Tan 2 theta. Tan 2 theta will be 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. 2 theta formulas are over. Now 3 theta. The next year is full of trigonometry. Remember, these formulas are required next year. Next year there are chapters like differentiation, integration, inverse trigonometry function. There are so many chapters. All the chapters, most of the chapters require trigonometry. These formulas are very important next year also. So 2 theta formula is over. Now I am writing 3 theta formula. Sine of 3 theta. 3 times theta. 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Cos 3 theta. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. The last one is it's rarely used, but let us learn it. 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. I will discuss all the questions based on these 6 formulas. Okay. I think by next class this chapter will be almost over. Okay. Now only 4 formulas important 4 formulas are remaining in this chapter. So today I will discuss the important questions based on the formula. All of you please write down the formula. If you have written, please raise your hand. If you have any doubt, you please ask. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. you have written and no doubt, you can raise your hand. Aryan completed. I am waiting for your response.
Sir, ഞാൻ ആ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസർ അയച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു.
യെസ് ഞാൻ കണ്ടു ഒരു മിനിറ്റ് ഞാൻ ഓപ്പൺ ചെയ്ത് നോക്കട്ടെ. വൺ ബൈ ടു ഒരു മിനിറ്റ് യെസ് കറക്റ്റാണ്. വേണമെങ്കിൽ അതിനൊന്നും കൂടി എഴുതാൻ പറ്റും, അറിയാമോ? 1/2 cos 2x എന്ന് എഴുതാം വേണമെങ്കിൽ. ഓക്കെ, മനസ്സിലായോ? റീസൺ മനസ്സിലായോ ശിവാനിക്ക്? ഓക്കെ, സോ nobody is responding. Have you completed all this formula? Rakshana, have you written this formula? Rakshana?
Yes, sir.
Deva, have you written the formula?
Last one, sir.
Okay. Only show that questions are there based on this formula. Okay, show that questions. So finished, right? Okay, let me complete the textbook questions. After that, after completing this textbook question, I will discuss the outside questions. Okay, I think there are some 3 or 4 questions based on the multiple angle problem. Okay, let me discuss the 24th question. Okay, only show that questions will be asked. Normally no numerical question based on this formula, only show that type of questions. Look at this question. Multiple angle means 2 theta, 3 theta, 4 theta. All these are multiple angles. This is also multiple angle, but this we have to prove it. We need not memorize this, but we have to prove it. So multiple angle means 2 theta, 3 theta, 4 theta, like that. So I want to prove that cos 4x equal to this. How to start? I will discuss that. So if there are multiple angles like 4x, 6x, 8x, etc., you always begin with the formula 2 theta. No need to use 3 theta initially. If there are multiple angles like 4x, 6x, 8x or whatever, you always begin with the formula 2 theta formula. Remember, always. You just write the formula. This is cos. So let me write the formula cos 2 theta. It is required here. I will discuss in the next step. So let me begin with the 2 theta formula. The left hand side is cos. So let me begin with the formula cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta has 3 formula. Which formula is better? The cos 2 theta has 2 formula. Which formula is better? The third formula, remember, look here, the third formula is starting with 1, right? The third formula is starting with 1 minus. The right side is also starting with 1 minus. So which formula is better? I think this third formula is appropriate, because the third formula is starting with 1 minus. Right hand side is also starting with 1 minus. So let us try that formula. We studied that cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sine square theta. We studied this formula. Is it okay? All of you clear? Fadil, Kirti, Devasri, Shivani.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but I want cos 4x. How will you find out cos 4x? It is very simple. You just simply substitute. Using pencil you may write here. You just substitute theta as 2x. Instead of theta you simply put 2x. Why I am putting 2x here? If I put theta as 2x, the left side becomes cos of 2 into 2x. 2 into 2x will be 4x, right? So you begin with the 2 theta formula, then think about the substitution. I am going to substitute theta as 2x so that the left side becomes cos 4x. If I put theta as 2x, I have to put the same substitution in the right side. If I put theta 2x, I have to substitute theta 2x in the right side also. It's very simple. So the left side, so in sentence you may write, okay, putting theta equal to 2x. So the left side will be 2 into 2x, that is 4x. Right side theta 2x, right? 1 minus 2 sine square of 2x. Theta is 2x. All of it clear? Understood? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, everyone is clear. Aryan മനസ്സിലായല്ലോ അല്ലേ? Aryan clear ആയി? Aryan, Devasri, you understood. I want the response. Okay. So left side is cos 4x now. Right side is 1 minus 2 into. What is the meaning of sine square 2x? Sine square 2x means that sine of 2x all square. That is the meaning. Actually sine square theta means sine theta the whole square. Sine theta the whole square is denoted as sine square theta. Understood? So please note it. So this is sine 2x the whole square. Is there any formula for sine 2x? Is there any formula for sine 2x? Yes. Sine 2x. Yes. Only thing is letter is different. Sine 2x, use this formula. Sine 2x will be 2 sin x cos x. Sine 2x 2 sin x cos x. So sine 2x is written as 2 sin x cos x. Shivani കഴിഞ്ഞാണ് ഈ പറയുന്നത് കേട്ടോ. Shivani കഴിഞ്ഞതാണ്. Shivani or Fadil is also fast. If you are faster, you may try this question. I will write some outside question which is outside the textbook. Okay. So if you have finished, no need to wait. You have to tell me, okay? Others don't attempt this question. Others listen my class. And once you finish it, you send me the WhatsApp message. So all of you clear? Devasri, Rakshana, everyone is okay? Till this step, Aryan, clear? So 1 minus 2 into squaring this. 2 square will be 4. Sine square x, cos square x. You will get 1 minus 2 into 4 is 8. 1 minus 8 sine square x cos square x. This is what I want to prove. I got RHS. So I think you understood this question. So always begin with the 2 theta formula. Okay. So please write down. If you are okay, 100% clear, written, then raise your hand. If you have written, raise your hand. Rakshana, if you have any doubt, you please ask me, Rakshana.
Yes.
Devasri, Fadil, Rakshana, Aryan, understood. Everyone okay? So let me discuss the next question. Shivani and Fadil, if you get time in the class, you can try this. Send me the WhatsApp message, the answer. Then let me discuss the next problem. From text, let me discuss the next problem. Cos 4x I discussed. Now let me discuss 25th question. Only this type of question will be asked. Show that type. 25th question. This is a show that question. Please listen, all of you please listen. Shivani and Fadil, if you are able to do it, you please do it and send me the answer. So I want to prove it. Please remove your raise hand. I want to prove that cos 6x equal to this one. It's a very big expression, right? I want to prove that cos 6x equal to this is multiple angle. See, 2x, 4x, 6x, all these are multiple angles. I want to prove it. Always begin with the 2 theta formula. Always begin with the 2 theta formula. The left side is cos, so let me begin with the formula cos 2 theta. If the left side is tan, I will begin with the formula tan 2 theta. Like that. Left side is cos. Multiple angle question, so let me begin with the formula cos 2 theta. But cos 2 theta has 3 formulas, right? Cos 2 theta has 3 formula. You think about the formula, which one to be selected. Shivani, you did it. Shivani, you did it. Yes, your answer is correct, Shivani. You try this question then. All of you please listen. Cos 2 theta, which formula to be used? Right side is full of cos. Look at the right side. Right side is full of cos. So the second formula is better, because the second formula contains only cosine. Cos. Understood? Second formula contains only cos. So the right side is full of cos. So I am going to use the second formula. Second formula contains cos only. So let us try that formula. 2 cos square theta minus 1. We studied this formula. But I want cos 6x. Now the next step is substitution. To get 6x, what should be the substitution? Theta to be substituted as 3x. If I put theta equal to 3x, what happens? This will be cos of 2 into 3x, right? Cos of 6x, yes. So in order to get 6x, you have to substitute theta as 3x. But if you do such substitution, the right side also you have to make the substitution. You may write it in sentence, but if I draw like this, you will get a good clarity. That's why. So I am putting theta equal to 3x both sides. So the left side will be cos of 2 times 3x 6x. Right side will be 2 cos square 3x minus 1. Till this step you understood? Fadil, are you okay? Fadil, Devasri, everyone is clear? Correct. So 2 into cos square 3x. What is the meaning of this cos square 3x? Cos square 3x means that cos 3x the whole square. Understood? That is the meaning. Cos 3x whole square is denoted by cos square 3x. Cos 3x formula we studied. Only one formula for cos 3x. So we have no confusion. Cos 3x only one formula. We have studied that. By today's class you must memorize all the formula. Cos 3 theta is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Next year we require all the formula, okay? Not in a single chapter, many chapters. The differentiation integration full of this type of question. Cos 3x 3 theta is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So I am using the same formula. Cos 3x will be using that formula 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Cos 3 theta formula I used, but there is square outside minus 1. Shivani കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ പറയണം കേട്ടോ. Shivani ചെയ്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ മാത്രം പറഞ്ഞാൽ മതി. Fadil, have you understood? Aryan, Deva, everyone is clear? Response? Okay.
Yes.
What is this? This is a minus b whole square. Can I read like that? A minus b whole square. Correct. What is a minus b whole square? A minus b whole square is a square. You must be careful. I am writing all the steps. A square minus 2ab. I am writing all the steps. If it is not visible, you can zoom it. A square minus 2ab plus b square. B square. So I have used the formula a minus b all square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Minus 1 is there outside. So the next step will be 2 into squaring here. 4 square will be 16, correct? Shivani കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടില്ല അല്ലേ അല്ലേ Shivani, have you finished? Shivani complete ആയോ അത്? ഓ ഓക്കെ 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 ഞാൻ കുറച്ച് നേരമായി പറയുന്നത് റെസ്പോൺസ് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നില്ല. 4 cos cube square will be 4 square is 16. Cos cube square will be cos raised to 6 minus 2 into 4 8. 2 into 4 8. 8 into 3 24. Cos cube into cos. Cos cube into cos. Cos raised to 4. Here 3 square will be 9. Cos square x minus 1. In the next step we will get the answer. Okay, only one more step. Last step I am writing. Here I can open the bracket. Understood? 2 can be taken inside the bracket. 2 into 16 32. 32 cos raised to 6 minus 2 into 24 48. And 2 into 9 18. 18 cos square x minus 1. This is RHS. Proved it. So remember this type of question. Okay, I think this type of question will be asked. I mean based on 2 theta 3 theta. Okay, so please write down. If you are okay, finish, raise your hand. If you are okay and finish, raise your hand. ശിവാനിക്ക് മനസ്സിലായല്ലോ അല്ലേ? ശിവാനി, ആര്യൻ, രക്ഷണ, ദേവശ്രീ, ഫാദിൽ completed. Everyone written. Okay. The next problem I'm 23. I'm going to discuss 23. All these questions based on 2 theta and 3 theta. Okay, show that questions. This question I want to prove it. Left side is tan. I told you that if the multiple angle is like 4x, 6x, 8x like that, you always begin with the 2 theta formula. Okay, since left side is tan, let me start with the tan 2 theta formula. The left side is tan, that's why. If the left side is sine, definitely I will begin with the sine 2 theta formula. So always begin with the 2 theta formula. Tan 2 theta, we studied the formula. By today's class you must memorize all the formula. Tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. So tan 2 theta, let me write the formula first. 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. This will be the first step. But I want tan 4x. So I have to make some substitution. Let me substitute theta as 2x. Why I am putting theta 2x? In that case 2 into 2x will be 4x. Understood? That's why. So left side but I must put theta 2x in the right side also. Right side, wherever you see theta, it should be replaced by 2x, because left side theta replaced by 2x, so right side you have to replace by 2x. So left side will be tan of 4x. Right side the theta is replaced by 2x. 2 tan 2x divided by 1 minus tan square 2x. Okay, Devasri, have you understood this step? Devasri, Aryan.
Whether that is 2 tan square x or whether
2 tan theta, 2 tan theta. Formula is, tell me.
second
The second step. This is 2x, not tan square. Tan of 2x, understood. Tan of 2x. Theta is replaced by 2x, understood. So tan of 2x. Clear? Please respond. Okay. So 2 into, if anybody complete, please send me the answer through WhatsApp. Okay. 2 into tan of 2x. We will get a big expression. You must simplify. The simplification is there. You must be careful. You will get a big expression. Tan 2x is there in the numerator side, right? Tan 2 theta formula you can use. The letter is different. That is not an issue. Tan of 2 theta formula I am going to use. Tan 2x is what? Tan 2x is 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. You can zoom it if it is not properly visible. If you are watching from mobile, you can zoom it. All of it clear? Devasri, you understood this step? Devasri?
yes sir.
1 minus, what is the meaning of tan square 2x? I discussed many times. Tan square 2x means tan 2x the whole square. Understood? Tan 2x the whole square is tan square 2x. Tan 2x the whole square. What is tan 2x? Tan 2x is 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. There is a lot of simplification. Okay. So I think you understood this step. So ultimately I must get this answer. Ultimately I must get this answer. ശിവാനിക്ക് കേൾക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ അല്ലേ? ശിവാനിക്ക് ക്ലിയർ? ഇതിന് ഓക്കെ, കഴിഞ്ഞ പറയണം കേട്ടോ. Here 2 into 2 will be 4. In the numerator side, can I multiply 2 and 2? That 2 into 2, 4. 4 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. All divided by 1 minus. Here we have to square numerator and denominator. See, numerator and denominator to be squared. Numerator 2 tan x square. 2 tan x square will be 4 tan square x. 4 tan square x. Bracket no need. 2 tan x whole square will be 4 tan square x divided by denominator 1 minus tan square whole square will be there. 1 minus tan square whole square. You please write till this step. Till this step you please write down. If you have any doubt, please ask. If you have written, raise your hand. Aryan complete ആയിട്ടാണല്ലോ raise hand ഇല്ല. Shivani, Deva, Fadil, Aryan completed. Rakshana, shall I repeat any step? Rakshana?
No sir.
Understood, clear. So everyone okay?
Yes.
Okay, if you have any confusion, okay, if you you may write the RHS as it is. You may be losing some half mark if you are not sufficient time. In exam, suppose there is a question, if you don't have sufficient time, after this you may write the RHS, some half mark you will lose. But let me complete the entire step. Okay, if I write all the simplification, I think it requires some 3 or 4 steps. So numerator is 4 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x, all divided by. Then here the denominator, can I do like this? 1 into this, clear, 1 minus the fraction. So 1 into this, 1 into that one will be, what is that? 1 into this will be 1 minus tan square whole square minus 4 tan square all divided by 1 minus tan square all square. You must be careful. There is a lot of simplification involved in the question. Is that okay? Everyone is clear? Please respond. Deva, clear? Rakshana, okay. Everyone is clear.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Listen. Let me write the next step. 4 tan x divide by, let me write, you can zoom it, okay. I want to save space. You can zoom it if it is not visible. The numerator, so one fraction divided by another fraction, right? One fraction divided by another fraction. In that case, you multiply with the reciprocal of the denominator fraction. You have to multiply with the reciprocal of denominator. The reciprocal of denominator will be 1 minus tan square all square divided by 1 minus tan square all square minus 4 tan square x. You know that division we have to multiply with the reciprocal. In the next step, what we can do is, look here, 1 minus tan square is there, 1 minus tan square all square is there. 1 minute. 1 minute. Here 1 minus tan square is there, 1 minus tan square all square is there. 1 minus tan square will be cancelled. 1 minus tan square will be cancelled. If I delete like this, can you follow? 1 minus tan square all square, 1 minus tan square. 1 minus tan square cancel. Understood? So all of you please write till this step. If you don't understand any step, please ask. If you don't understand any step, please ask. If you have written, raise your hand. If you have written, please raise your hand. Devasri, Aryan, Fadil, Rakshana completed. Shivani left the class. Okay. Let me write the remaining steps in the next page. Let me copy this one. Can I copy this one? 4 tan x. What we have got, you have written, right? Sorry. You have written 4 tan x. 4 tan x is the and in the numerator there is 1 minus tan square. In the numerator there is 1 minus tan square x divided by, in the denominator 1 minus tan square all square is there. 1 minus tan square all square is there. Minus 4 tan square x. We got this step. We can simplify further. We can simplify further. Numerator, we need not do anything. Numerator, I don't want to make any modification, because RHS contains same term. The RHS contains 4 tan into 1 minus tan square. The same term I got, but denominator I want to simplify. 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x all divided by, can I expand this? This is a minus b all square. A minus b all square. It is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Let me complete the solution. After that you can ask me doubt. Let me complete it first. A square minus 2ab plus b square minus 4 tan square x. So we get 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x. Listen. Okay, all of you please listen. 1 square is 1. 2 tan square x. tan square all square will be tan raised to 4. Minus 4 tan square. I am going to write the last step. 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x by 1 minus, here minus 2 tan square minus 4 tan square. Minus 2 tan square minus 4 tan square will be minus 6 tan square plus tan raised to 4x. This is RHS. So all of you please write down. Please ask if you have any doubts. Please ask if you have any doubt. Fadil Rakshana completed. Aryan, okay, completed. Okay. Today I will not discuss new formula. That is not good. Only this type of question is given in textbook. 1 minute, just a minute. Miscellaneous 8, 9, 10 I will discuss in the next class. I think by next class this chapter will be over. Okay, by next class this chapter will be over. So let me discuss one question which is not there in textbook. Let me discuss one question not there in textbook. In the next class we will learn 4 sets of formula. After that the chapter will be over. Let me write one question which is not there in book. Okay. Where x lies in the 4th quadrant. Not there in text, but let us do it. Find sine 2x. This is the question. I will let it be the last problem. All of you please listen. Do you have any idea? Cos x is 4 by 5. I want sine of 2x. This 2x inside sine, understood. Sine of 2x I want. Rakshana, Devasri, Aryan, anybody? Fadil, how will you find it? No response. Okay, then I will write. We studied the first formula we studied. Sine 2x is 2 sin x cos x. It is not a tough question. Sine 2x is 2 sin x cos x. Can I substitute? But only cos x is given to us. Only cos x is given to us. The sin x is not given in the question. Yes, sin x is not available. Only cos x is there. Understood? So I want sin x. The cos x I have no tension about cos, because cos x is given, but I want sin x. If I get sin x, I can substitute. We studied in the previous classes that if one trigonometric ratio is given, we can easily find the other trigonometric ratio by drawing a right angle triangle. If one trigonometric ratio available, we can definitely find the other trigonometric ratios. Let me complete the solution. After that you can ask me doubts. The x is an angle lies in the 4th quadrant, right? Mentioned x is an angle lies in the 4th quadrant. So the angle will be look like this. This much rotation gives the angle lies in the which quadrant now? 4th quadrant. Let me complete the right angle triangle by drawing vertical. We always make the right angle triangle by drawing vertical. So I got a right angle triangle. Now theta lies in the 4th quadrant. Not theta, it is x. Okay. Devasri, are you following? Is it okay? Devasri?
Yes, sir.
X lies in the fourth quadrant. Cos x is 4 by 5. Cos x is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is this one. This is adjacent side 4. Hypotenuse is opposed to 90. Hypotenuse is the side which is opposed to 90. The adjacent side is 4. Hypotenuse is 5. If you look at the diagram, it is clear that cos x equal to adjacent by hypotenuse 4 by 5. Using Pythagoras theorem, you can write this side as 3 using Pythagoras theorem. Refer this diagram. Don't
Or we can using Pythagorean triplet too, sir.
Okay, by Pythagorean triplet. Okay, that is also fine, no problem. Sin x equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. But remember, if the quadrant is mentioned, forget about putting the sign. Forget about the sign. Don't forget about the sign, okay? So sin x equal to opposite side by hypotenuse 3 by 5. Opposite is 3, right? Sin x is 3 by 5. Don't forget to put the sign. Fourth quadrant, only cos is positive. Only cos is positive. Sin will be negative. So remember, if one trigonometric ratio is available, draw a right angle triangle, then find the other trigonometric ratio. Don't forget to put the sign. Now we get the answer. So 2 sin x cos x. So 2 into sin x is minus 3 by 5. And cos x is what? Cos x is what? Given 4 by 5. Given. So the answer is minus 24 by 25. This is the answer. So please remember this question. All of you please write down. If you are 100% clear, raise your hand. Devasri, Fadil, Aryan, everyone finished. So I discussed all the problems related to theta and 3 theta today. Next class we will learn another set of 4 formula. By today's class, next class the chapter will be over. So if you have written, you may leave the meeting. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, tell me, Devasri.
in this chapter I am not having doubts, sir. In relation function, my school has been teached on function, sir. I could not understand that, sir.
Function you have a doubt?
On the on to functions.
On to function, that is in the 12th, it is actually 12th standard topic, on to function. Devasri. But I can discuss don't worry, I can discuss it, okay? Is there any exam in school? Is there any exam based on relation function?
Having exams, sir, so for that. So you'll be asking.
Why the teacher teaching the 12th standard topic? On to function is there in the 12th standard.
Yes, sir, she mentioned, sir, but though she said that she will be asking exams.
Okay, don't worry, I will discuss, okay? In the next class I will discuss. Next class you have to join at 8:15, okay? Sharp 8:15. Within 5 minutes I can discuss on to function. It is very simple. In the next class you have to join at 8:15, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay then.
Thank you, sir.
Okay then. Okay, bye.